A consistent language helps users understand your app more easily. With App Language, you can define a single default language for your entire app experience. I'm Kayla with Jotform, and in this video, I'll show you how to configure App Language in Jotform Apps to ensure a clear and consistent experience for every user. Let's get started. To get started, open the Jotform App Builder. Click on the Settings tab in the Builder menu. In the middle of the page, under the Settings tab, you can configure the overall behavior of your application. Select App Settings to manage the main properties of the app. Here, you'll see several configuration options. Use App Status to enable or disable the application. Enable Add to Home Screen Modal to prompt users to install the app on their device for quicker access. You can also enable Show QR Code on desktop so users can scan a QR code and open the app directly on their mobile device. Select Customize if you want to configure how the QR code appears. Additional settings include Continue Forms Later, which allows users to save progress and finish forms later. Use Progress Bar to show users how far they have progressed in forms or required documents. You can also enable Prevent Cloning to stop others from copying your app. Now, let's take a closer look at the app language. Use App Language to define the default language of the app interface. Open the Language dropdown to view the list of supported languages. You can choose from options such as English, Spanish, French, Italian, Portuguese, German, Turkish, and many others. Use the search bar to quickly find a specific language. Once selected, the language becomes the default display across the entire app interface for users. Let's select French. When you're finished, toggle Preview to see how the language appears in the app interface. And that's how you set the app language in Jotform Apps. Create a consistent experience and ensure clear communication across your entire app. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.